Hey, do you find yourself at home a lot these days? Is it difficult to keep the house in order or to work out of a home office? Would you like your life to be easier? I'm Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing, and I get it. There are circumstances in life that are out of your control, but I'm here to help you with the things that can be in your control. Things like clutter control, paper management, organizing systems, and time management. On this channel, I want to show you my passion for organizing and how it can make your life easier. So where did this passion come from? In my former life, I was a professional illustrator, and in 2002, I was promoted to department head of design services at the Jim Henson Company. Cool place to work, but we were downsizing. We had to find ways to do more with less. I had no management background, but I did have a natural ability for something else: organizing. As a result, we had a very successful department, increasing reproducible line art tenfold, reducing response time 75%, and overseeing the best Muppet product ever. On weekends, I was pursuing freelance illustration, so even then I was carving out time and space for that. In 2004, Disney bought the Muppets, and I realized I had a greater passion for organizing than I did for licensing. So I started Matt Beyer Organizing, hired a team, and we've been helping folks get organized ever since. We love removing physical barriers in people's lives, and sometimes emotional barriers too. On this channel, I am addressing the most common organizing challenges we have seen over the last 16 years. But I also want to hear from you. What are some organizing challenges you are facing right now? Throughout this channel, I will be addressing a common theme: circulation. It is the subject of my book, The Circulation Solution, which means a plan for movement in a series of manageable, reliable stages. Everything in its place is a good start, but life is always moving, so your organizing systems should be too. Circulation prevents accumulation. That makes organizing easier, and that makes life easier. So please subscribe, and I'll see you around.